So, Miss Young, what are we doing today? Well, we're just taking out the little LFP Nature Club into the field, into the forest to see the slow loris habitat, and they are so ecstatically excited. And so it's making me really excited too to actually see them so enthused about going out.
Our children very happy is we find the loris and so loris still in bed and sleep.
Di mana? Oh, di sana. So we're all back off now home. And that's the end of our little trip into the forest. And everyone seems to like it. Suka? Yeah? Suka?